Hello, a very good morning, my dear student. Welcome to our MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Muddebihar and our chemistry department. Today, we have to start online class. According to Rani Channamma University, for BSc 5th semester, we have to two paper. These are chemistry paper number 1 and chemistry paper number 2. Now we have to start chemistry paper 2, unit number 2. The name of these units are reagents, reactions and dyes. See on this PPT, here is some points are written according to your syllabus. These points are preparation, mechanism of action and applications, LiLH4, reduction of aldehyde, acid and esters, DCC, amide formation, carboxylic acid, DDQ, benzylic oxidation of tetraene, aromatization of tetraene, lead tetraacetate, oxidation of 1,2 diols, NBS, allylic bromination, OSO4, hydroxylation of alkene, PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate in the oxidation of primary alcohol and the dyes. This point we have to see in the next class. I have to read these all points. These are means the reagent. What is the reagent? A reagent is a substance that is used to cause a chemical reaction. Reagents are often used in order to indicate the presence of another substance. Why these are unit you have to study? Because these unit are very important for your BSc level, and these also unit are useful in your higher education as like MSc, and this is also useful in your competitive exam like as a NET exam, GATE exam. Okay. In organic chemistry, there are number of reagents which is useful for the organic synthesis. But in your syllabus, we have to study only 7 these reagents. These reagents are LiLH4, DCC, DDQ, LAT, OSO4, NSB, PCC. Now we have to start the one by one reagents. The first reagent is LiLH4. The long form of this reagent is lithium aluminum hydride. So we have to see the first point, preparation according to your syllabus. Preparation means you have to prepare the LiLH4. The first substrate is taken as the lithium hydride and aluminum chloride react to each other and formation of the lithium aluminum hydride, and byproduct is formation of the lithium chlorides. So we have to see the next point, reaction. In this point, we have to see the first is the reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Are you know the general formula of ketone? The general formula of ketone is a R C double bond O R, and the general formula of aldehyde is the R C double bond H. Okay, so we have to see the example. First example is the propanol. Here is the CH3, CH2, CHO. This means the propanol. Propanol means this is the aldehyde. These are react with the reagent lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether and water molecule. Why it is used water molecule here? It is useful for the hydrolysis reaction and formation of the primary alcohol. The reaction is formation of the primary alcohol. The name of this example is propanol. Here aldehyde is converted into primary alcohol in the presence of this reagent. The name of this reagent is a lithium aluminum hydride. Same, we have to take the another example for ketone. This example is butanone. CH3 C double bond O, CH2 CH3. This is the butanone, means it is a ketone and it is react with the same reagent LiLH4 and in the presence of ether and also water molecule. The final product is formation of the secondary alcohol. When we have to use the aldehyde, here is the formation of primary alcohol, and when we have to use the ketone, here is the formation of the secondary alcohol. The next point we have to see here, mechanism. What is the mechanism? Mechanism means how to formation of the product from reactant. Here is use this step-by-step process. That step-by-step process is called as the mechanism. So we have to take a first here example of general ketone. RCR means you have to use here carbon carbon double bond means here is the carbonyl group. These are the general ketone reaction. And here use the reagent. This reagent is the LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride. Here is written in this system. Okay. So here is the negative charge of hydrogen. The negative charge of hydrogen means here is the hydride ions. When it is positive charge, you have to say it is a proton. In this reagent, here is the transfer of this hydrogen to this carbon. And here is this double bond is attack on this oxygen. This double bond means here is the presence of electron and here is the formation of the negative charge. And this negative charge of oxygen is attached to the this aluminum atom or metals. You have to see here, here is the positive charge or positive charge on this aluminum and negative charge on this hydrogen means it is the hydride. And here is formation of negative charge after reaction and this is attached to aluminum and formation of this intermediate product R2CHOAlH3Li. This is the intermediate product. And next here is the three molecules of the ketone is react with the same reagent. Here is the same reagent we have to use here. And there is the formation of the next product is the four molecules of the ketone is attached to aluminum hydrides. And finally, it is hydrolysis. This is the reaction for using the hydrolysis in presence of water molecule. And last product is formation of the alcohol. The molecule of the ketone is taken 4 and reactant is taken is a 1. The product is formation of 4 molecules or 4 compounds of the primary alcohol. This step by step we have to see the reaction. It is called as the mechanism of this formation of alcohol from this ketone. Okay. The next reaction is the reduction of carboxylic acid. The reduction of carboxylic acid means in first example is reduction of ketone and aldehyde. Here the next reaction is reaction of carboxylic acid. The reduction of carboxylic acid here is also same formation of the primary alcohol, but these are the substrate is changes. Here is the reagent is same, but formation of the product is also same. Here is only change in the starting reactant or substrate. Okay, see here example of the acid is propionic acid. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, OH is react with the lithium aluminum hydride and here is the formation of CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. That means propanol. Propionic acid to propanol. Okay, it is clear? Okay. The next example we have to see here benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula means here is the benzene group which is attached to C double bond O, OH. And this is also react with the lithium aluminum hydride in presence of water. You have to write also here H3O plus means it is present in acidic solution. Okay. And here is the formation of benzoyl alcohol. Here OH group is attached to primary alcohol. You have to take aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid Here is the formation of alcohol in the same reagent. In formation of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, this is depends upon the reactant, but the reagent is the same. Now we have to see the also mechanism of reduction of carboxylic acid here. Okay, here is the general reaction is given. RC double bond OH is react with the lithium aluminum hydride. Here is the formation of this intermediate product RC double bond O minus Li plus, and byproduct is formation of LiAH3 in this reaction. Here is the H is removed, water molecule is removed, sorry, here is the remove of the H2, and this O group is attached to this metal Li plus metal. Same, this intermediate product is taken in the next step and use the reagent. Same reagent here is use the LiLH4, and this is attack on this reagent and formation of this type of the intermediate product. See here, ROALH3 O minus L plus H. This is the intermediate product formation and formation of the ALH3. And finally, we have to see the here product is RH double bond OH aldehyde. Here is the formation of acid to aldehyde. Here mechanism, same mechanism. Here is the reactant is same, but substrate is changes. This is the ester RC double bond O C H C2 H5. This H ion means here is the negative H plus H minus ion is attack on this carbonyl group, and here is the formation of this type of tetrahedral intermediate product. See, it is clear. Okay. After this intermediate product, here is the formation of negative charge. It is attack on this carbon, means here is the formation of double bond. See here. Here is the formation of double bond with oxygen. This is the aldehyde. Again, it is react with the lithium aluminum hydride. Here is formation of the next intermediate product. This type of the intermediate product. Here is the negative sign on oxygen and positive sign on the lithium metal. And next is the, it is react with the aluminum hydride. And here is the also intermediate is formation of the tetrahedral intermediate. See here. O minus ion on oxygen. Here is the L and H. All are positive charge because it is a metal, and it is the react with the H plus ion and formation of the RCH2OH, means it is the formation of alcohol. See here, form is ester to alcohol by using lithium aluminum hydride. In this type, we have to study the reagent step by step process. Okay, I think all these points are you have to understood and it is clear. Okay, thank you.